Hello friends, welcome to Prakash Tarpad Reader YouTube channel. Lots of you have been asking me to give prediction on ICC T20 Cricket World Cup. So here I am. I'll start with group readings. Predictions for group C, D and A will be very important. Now why? In group D, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, both the teams are as good as any other team when it comes to T20 cricket. On their given day, they can beat any team. And again, in T20 cricket, couple of good or bad overs can change the game. So, Group D is very important, and Group C, Afghanistan and West Indies. I will call them equal because in recent time West Indies team has not done very well in T20 cricket. Then Group A, yesterday only Pakistan got beaten by Ireland. So this is a warning for Indian team also, that kindly do not take us lightly. So I'll start with group predictions so that so as to know who all has the chance to reach Super 8 and then Super 8 readings. But one request, kindly do not bet. Friends, before showing you group readings for all the groups, what I had concluded after going through all the readings for all the teams, that this World Cup is going to be the World Cup of upsets, surprising results. So do not bet. Friends, I'll be starting from Group D. It involves South Africa, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Netherlands. And I can already see some different results. Cards for South Africa. Excellent cards. Super 8 confirmed. I can say that with closed eyes also. But for other teams, now cards for Nepal, they will impress with their performance. But yes, Super 8 doesn't look confirmed. But yes, they will do well. Then Sri Lanka, as a team, they will do well, but injury issues will trouble them. Captain's performance may not be that well, but as a team, they will do certainly well. Bangladesh, now these two cards, team and captain, they will not play to their potential, the real potential of Bangladesh team. They are the team who can beat any team in the world on given day. But here, they will not play to their potential and does not looks good. Chances of them reaching Super 8 does not look good. But surprisingly, these are the cards for Netherlands. Netherlands will impress. And the second position from the group for Super 8, the real fight will be between Sri Lanka and Netherlands. Sri Lanka and Netherlands. And Netherlands this time might upset from Group D to reach the Super 8 with South Africa. There is no logics involved. I am saying what I am saying looking at cards. Absolutely cards. No logics involved. Kindly do not bet. Friends, now Group C, and in this group also I can see some magical results. New Zealand, West Indies, Afghanistan, Uganda, and Papua New Guinea. I'll start with Papua New Guinea. No chance of reaching Super 8, but look at these cards. They will their their performance will be much improved as a team. Uganda looks like playing their first T20 Cricket World Cup. Again, no chance of reaching Super 8, but these two cards, they will make their presence felt. They will spoil other teams' cricket. This is for sure. They will really, in patches, they will play magical cricket in patches, which may not take them to Super 8, but it will be impressive. That is for sure. And it will affect Afghanistan and New Zealand. I'll not be surprised if Uganda create an upset in this T20 Cricket World Cup. West Indies, yes, they will reach Super 8. Then two teams, New Zealand and Afghanistan. So chances of New Zealand reaching Super 8 are better than Afghanistan. So my prediction is West Indies and New Zealand will be two teams reaching Super 8. Afghanistan, their team will not play up to their potential. Captain Rashid Khan will do well, but as a team they will not impress. Teams to watch out for: Uganda and Papua New Guinea. Their performance will be much improved and matured in this tournament. Now Group B, it involve England, Australia, Namibia, Scotland, Oman. Now logically it looks very simple. England and Australia will reach Super 8. But Namibia, Scotland and Oman, these teams also have fair experience and they have good players. And it's not going to be easy for Australia. Australia will not play to their potential and they will somehow manage Super 8. This time Australia will not play to their potential and they will somehow reach top 4. Somehow. England's performance will also not that good. Then which team will play well here? Namibia will surprise. Scotland will surprise. Oman will surprise. So looks like this group is going to give some exciting results and England can be the casualty. England, Australia, looks like you can expect upsets from this group. Big upsets from Group B. I repeat, you can expect big upsets from Group B. Who will make those upsets? Namibia, Oman are more likely to make those upsets. Now I am sure about one team, Australia. They will somehow reach top 4, Super 8. But yes, there will be a very tough competition in this group. for second place, and I am unable to predict the other team. Look at the cards for these three teams apart from England and Australia. Cards for Oman, cards for Scotland, cards for Namibia, especially Namibia. So anything is possible in this group. Do not just name England and Australia does not guarantee place in Super 8. That's what I can say. Australia's performance will not be up to potential. Look at this card. Somehow they will reach Super 8. But these cards again. So England should vary of these three teams. Oman, then Scotland and Namibia. Anything is possible. I am unable to predict the other team which is going to be in second place from this group to reach Super 8. This group is going to be group of upset. Friends, now Canada, USA, India, Pakistan and Ireland. So what's going to happen in Group A? Cards for Ireland, cards for Pakistan, and surprisingly these two cards suggest that Pakistan will not play to their potential, and yesterday only Pakistan national cricket team got beaten by Ireland. Then Indian team, yes, Super 8, they will reach Super 8. But look at the cards for Canada and USA. They will certainly impress. Canada and USA, both the teams will certainly impress. And high chances that yes, they can win match either against Pakistan or Ireland. So looks like this World Cup is going to be the World Cup of upsets. That's what I can make out. That's what I can see. This World Cup is going to be the World Cup of upsets. And even I am having difficulty because cards for, look here, cards for Ireland, cards for USA, cards for Canada, I am unable to predict. And as I said, I don't use logics. I go by what I see in cards. And cards are saying that yes, India is going to Super 8, but apart from India, high chance of Ireland or any of these teams, Ireland or USA or Canada. But yes, Ireland and India, these two teams are more likely than any other team. But one thing is sure, I am saying again, this World Cup is going to be the World Cup of upsets. Do not bet. You will lose your hard-earned money.